The probiotics that we supply, they're incredibly robust. So they come in a spore form, they're not actually vegetative cells, so therefore they're really resistant to formulating the different pHs or formulating with different types of chemistry. It's quite familiar for us for people to use different types of surfactants or to use different types of preservatives, fragrances, colorants and other co-formulants, and they are incredibly resilient to that. There are circumstances where we would probably advise against some technologies, primarily because they have a negative impact on the spores becoming vegetative when we want them to, so on the surface that we're applying them. But overall, yes, very robust organisms and quite easy to work with, formulate with.